What if I told you that 80% of what you read in the news isn't actually news at all? It's opinion, sensation, and carefully crafted emotional triggers designed to keep you clicking. At InFact, we're not just building another news app, we're rebuilding the relationship between information and truth. We are all caught in what we call the news trap in Sri Lanka. Like many places worldwide, the media landscape has become a battleground of sensationalism and political agendas. Citizens are struggling to separate fact from fiction, eroding public trust in journalism itself. Most Sri Lankans rely on just 2-3 news sources, creating dangerous echo chambers that only reinforce what they already believe. Meanwhile, headlines prioritize emotional triggers over substance, and the sheer number of outlets makes tracking diverse perspectives virtually impossible. The result? Misinformation spreads unchecked while valuable perspectives that could broaden our understanding remain invisible. InFact transforms this broken news ecosystem through a simple principle: separate facts from noise. We aggregate content from diverse outlets via RSS, applying our specialized ML pipeline to cluster-related stories and remove sensationalism, and introduce readers to sources they'd never normally encounter, all through a clean, minimalist interface built entirely on open-source technology. Our platform updates every hour or instantly for breaking news, keeping you informed without juggling dozens of websites. Articles are desensationalized with objectives and summaries, clearly marked opinions to reduce bias. Every piece includes detailed source information, ownership details, and contextual background for better understanding. Most importantly, InFact pulls content from across the political spectrum, ensuring you never miss important perspectives just because they come from outlets you wouldn't normally read. What makes InFact unique is our modular ML pipeline that delivers powerful results without the excessive costs of large language models. We start by scraping news via RSS and custom Ballerina connectors from multiple sources. Our system uses Spacey for text, pre-processing, and entity recognition, with sentence transformers generating semantic embeddings. Articles are clustered by story using scikit-learn, K-means, and TF-IDF with GenSim LDA naming topics. Facts are extracted using NER and rule-based classification, while Fuzzy Wuzzy identifies duplicates. We use just one LLM call per article, using efficient 4 to 8 billion parameter models to generate the final summary with structured prompts. The entire system leverages Ballerina's asynchronous I/O caching, rate limiting, and error monitoring for all integration logic, while offloading ML, AI to Python libraries. Our core pipeline uses fast API for tokenization, embeddings, clustering, fact extraction, and sentiment analysis. Content generation happens through Google Gemini, with everything stored in MongoDB using cosine similarity merging and deduplication. Ballerina handles API management, data integration, and business logic, creating a clean separation of concerns where Python handles ML where libraries exist, and Ballerina optimizes integration and async I/O. This allows each service to scale independently. Now, let's see how this technology translates to the user experience. For this demonstration, we've generated some news articles about a fictional country called Zealand. The interface is intentionally minimalist with 3 main sections. The home view features tabs for trending, local, international, all news, and most uniquely, a blind spot section showing perspectives you rarely encounter. On the right, we display a list of news providers and their ownership, creating immediate transparency. When you click an article, the reading view presents key facts at the top, followed by a neutral article body. Context and background cards appear on the side for added clarity, with sources listed below, explicitly marking their opinions and commentary as such. Unlike publishers who are tied to specific perspectives or revenue models, InFact is truly independent. We actively remove sensationalism and reveal hidden biases. We're not promising revolutionary AI. We're leveraging time-tested technology to create something that works today. InFact empowers citizens to stay informed without the noise, because everyone deserves access to facts, not just opinions about them.